We're in Poland, in Poznan, at the Poznan University of Technology. And this is European Robotics Week 2019, the central event. Want to find out more? Let's go inside and take a look. We've come to the end of the central event for European Robotics Week 2019 here in Poznan. So over the last couple of days we've seen so much, heard so much and been left with so much to think about. Our platinum sponsor, Marina Bill from ABB, probably best captured the three key themes, which were collaboration, digitalization and simplification. And we've seen plenty of evidence of all three of those during the last couple of days. But for me, there was a fourth, and that was inspiration. I've seen some very inspiring work and been left with a number of ideas. I think three really come to mind. One was very much the work of the team of teachers and their students from Rehimäki in Finland, and the presentation by a young 17-year-old Emil on our first day. And there was also the example of the Dragon robots, where art and technology come together in this sculpture in Belgrade. And the third one was Andrei Dumitriu from Romania, talking about getting the best students working with students from disadvantaged communities, and that was very inspiring as well. But I think the last word, the final word, should go to the person who brought us here to Poznan in the first place, and that's Krzysztof Walas from the university. Krzysztof, it's been a great couple of days. You must be really pleased. So what are your feelings now?
I must also admit that a little bit tired and kind of relieved that everything has happened, because it's quite nervous time. But on the other hand, it's really joyful time that we had all the people here coming and seeing our robots and different companies, different students. It was a pleasure to have the meeting here. Thank you.
So that's it. European Robotics Week 2019, the central event here in Poznan, is now over. So it just remains for us to thank everyone who's made such a contribution to a fantastic couple of days here, and not least to Poznan University of Technology. So congratulations on 100 years of excellence in technology education, and good luck for the next 100 years.